Oh, hey boys and girls, how you doing? This is Ted. This is Ride with Ted. Thank you for coming back to the channel. So what are we doing today? Today, we're going to mount a engine guard, aka crash bar, and horns on the Sportster today. That's the plan. Well, we know how plans go. We'll see how that happens. So let's get started. And there you have it. Engine guard installed. Just what I wanted. Now we're going to install a brand new headlight also. Replacing the incandescent bulb one with a Daymaker. Much better. Now that that's complete, time now to install the handlebar mounted USB charger thingy majiggy whatchamacallit thing. So let's get to it. right, now that that is installed, I think it's time to try to put the new horns on. We'll see how that goes. It's a little more involved. Let's go. Okay, so before and after. It's gonna be awesome. Zippo. Good. That's done. Now, the fun part, before the battery dies, we put it all together. All right. So first things first, we take this and go here. We take this and go here. We take this and go here and here. Good. And now, put this back on there and find the wrench that I used, which is this. Good. And then we miraculously figure out a way and feed it up through here, and it keeps it away from the cylinder head. And then we feed it through here, like so. All right, very nice. Very nice. And then we go behind here. We get a zippy tie thingy, first of all. And we go zippy tie aroundy here, so that keeps that out of the way. Yep. Very nice. Very nice, I think. All right, and then we take another zippy tie around that wire. That's very good. And then we feed it through here, like that. And then we zippy tie it to here, which is good. And then we take El Horno and put it there, and put it there. Put a little of the blue stuff on there. Feed it through L hole, and then we get the proper wrenches. There we go. That's what, 14? Okay. And then that's good. And then what we do is Take another zippy tie. And I think that is it. All right. And one more time because we want to hear it. I like it a lot. So there you have it. Ta-da! Another horn. Wired to the existing horn. And we're golden. I think the only thing to do now is go for a ride. Do I have time? I probably have time. Well, that's it, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to comment down below. I always respond to your comments. And subscribe if you're not subscribed. Please, subscribe. 97% of people who watch my videos are not subscribed. Why? I don't get it. Subscribe. All right, please. And tell your friends. It'd be awesome. And I think that's it. Thanks for watching, man. Be safe and peace and chicken grease and all that. Later. Oh, that sucks.